Hi guys, in this video we will see how to make Google your Chrome homepage. If you are facing such type of issue, Google is not opening as homepage in your Chrome browser, then here are the process. Open your Google Chrome browser and here go to three vertical dot against top right corner. Click on it and here choose settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here look for the option appearance. Click on it. Here scroll down under appearance, you will find first show home button. Enable this feature. If you found it in disabled mode, then turn the toggle button on. So enable show home button option. Thereafter scroll down and you will see three options available: new tab page or enter custom field. Here type www.google.com. So thereafter again go to three horizontal line against top left corner and choose on a startup, and here you will find three options. Open the new tab, continuous where you left off, and open a specific page or set of pages. Select here. If you added any different site on the opening page, then remove it and choose open a specific page and choose add a new one, and here type www.google.com and click on add. Now your Google is successfully set as Chrome homepage. Now if you open Google Chrome, Google page will automatically open.